Good day everyone, lalo na sa mga kagaya kong OFW. My name is Christian Francisco and I want just to share my journey here at CES. It started when my longtime workmate messaged me about this platform. At first, I was hesitant to join because I was scammed before. But then again, as I am a risk taker, I give myself a chance to try and study and understand about the SE Sports. October 17, 2024, may initial is 1,000 pesos. Then nung nakuha ko na siya, ginawa ko na siyang 5,000 pesos. Back then, I started inviting my family first kasi nga, nakuha ko na yung invest ko. And that came to my mind, naisali ko na rin yung mga pamangking kong college student. Imbis na humihingi sila sa akin, binigyan ko na lang sila ng puhunan na 5,000 pesos. Na up to now, nare-reach na nila yung 30,000 pesos investment. From that strategy, I was able to help them to build their financial planning. Tuto din silang i-handle ang mga earnings nila without asking money from me. CES helped us a lot. And for that, I am very grateful because hindi ko na nagagalaw yung salary ko dito sa abroad.
In my experience, alisin lang ang takot at huwag magpapa-apekto sa mga negative thinking. Kasi mas natuto akong manalig at magtiwala na hindi lahat ng risk ay puro pangamba lang. Samahan mo lang ng sipag at tiyaga at ikaw din na mag-earn nito. Tayo started to buy accumulated projects, not just one, pero minsan pinapakyo ko siya talaga kasi iniisip ko yung earnings niya. And I succeeded sa ganung paraan. Nung na-withdraw ko na yung 6 digits, doon na ako nag-start na mag-invite ng mga kaibigan ko. Ginawa ko yung preference for them to join CES and happily nag-earn na din sila ngayon. From registration, binding of address, at sa first withdrawal, lahat ng queries nila about CES, I guided them all the way. I became a leader to them, not just because I will earn money from them, but for them to push themselves na mag-earn as much as I can. And make sure na matutunan nila ang proper way of investing, inviting, and earning. I educated them through my experience. At masaya ako na the rest of them na-adapt nila yung strategy na nagawa ko. That's why I have a strong team. I always advise them to buy events projects because it will profit them more. At makakatulong agad ang income para maboost ang financial at earnings nila. At the same time, it will help them to develop their team. Gifts and high return is a plus. I also maintain yung mga projects with daily settlements. Kasi through that, doon ko na kinukuha yung mga daily needs ng family ko. Hindi ko na nagagalaw yung sahod ko. Which is a big help to me kasi mas nasisave ko na siya. To Sir Donnie, Ma'am Haley, and the rest of my team, thank you so much. At kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi ko marireach ang income na meron ako ngayon. At sa lahat ng members, kudos to all of us. Lahat ng hard work natin magbubunga yan. Erase all the negativities. Just keep pushing and moving forward. Through CES, we can achieve financial freedom. Yung tipong hindi ka natitingin sa price tag. And all our family's necessities will be covered. Hindi na tayo magsasabi ng, "Ma, anong ulam?" Kasi okay na to. Kidding aside, huwag pa rin tayong magsettle sa okay na to. Kasi we can do better. We can push ourselves to the limit. Just be persistent and strive for more. Achieve it with hard work, perseverance, and positive thinking. Through that, we can succeed. Dahil habang tayo kumikita na, sila puro duda pa. As CES member, in a span of 5 months, I didn't just build a team. I built my own empire. God bless to all of us. Be an inspiration. Always believe you can do better. Support your team to be better. And CES will do the rest. Thank you so much.